Imagine a trader in the middle of a stormy London morning, staring at a cluttered screen overwhelmed with flashing indicators and confusing signals. Yet Alex Nekritin and Walter Peters say, throw all that out. What if the key to Forex trading isn't more data but less? Naked, simple, raw charts are where true opportunities hide. But how do you read those clean lines like a pro without the tech noise? Let's unravel the oldest, purest method in Forex, Naked Forex. Back in 2012, Nekritin and Peters blew a hole in the crowded indicator scene. They showed traders how to strip Forex down to its bare essentials, price action. This was more than a method, it was a rebellion. Alex and Walter share a story from a trader named Sam, who spent weeks lost in a maze of moving averages and RSI signals. When Sam switched to naked charts, focusing only on price swings and candle formations, his clarity exploded. Trades became decisions, not guesses, and profits followed. Think of indicators like thick curtains blocking your view. Naked trading pulls those curtains back to expose the stage, the raw price moves. Price action is like listening to a heart beating. It's the pure signal beneath all noise, telling you exactly what the market feels without filters. The transformation is staggering. Traders move from data overload to a focused mindset. Instead of chasing confusing signals, they respond directly to price behavior, making smarter, faster calls. Naked Forex doesn't just reduce complexity, it rebuilds your trading intuition from the ground up. Without fancy tools, how do you know where to buy or sell? Alex and Walter pinpoint the secret. Support and resistance aren't just lines, they're battlegrounds marked by human behavior. Picture a trader named Lisa in New York watching the EUR-USD. Instead of complicated formulas, she spots that the price struggles at 1.13. After testing that level twice, she places her trades with confidence. That support zone becomes her anchor, saving her from risky guesses. Imagine a balloon pressing up against a ceiling. Resistance zones act like that ceiling, where sellers outweigh buyers. Recognizing these invisible barriers helps traders anticipate reversals rather than chase breakouts that often fail. Historical price fights leave fingerprints, areas where buyers and sellers clashed before. These zones aren't random, they're maps telling you where money changed hands and where it might again. It's less guessing, more detective work on price history. You nailed your entry, but when do you take the money and run? The book's standout moment is teaching when to exit, avoiding greed traps and losses with crystal-clear rules. In one example, a trader named Raj spots a last kiss pattern, a tiny candle that touches support but fails to break it. He exits before the market reverses, dodging a costly downturn. This simple signal saved him thousands in losses. Big shadows are oversized candles with long wicks showing sudden pushes and pullbacks. They're like market hiccups, revealing uncertainty. Knowing to exit when you see one prevents you from getting trapped in false moves. Good exit strategy turns winners into winners, not losers. The book flips the typical gamble mindset. Take partial profits early if signs flicker, then adjust stops. This disciplined approach is the clearest way to keep your wins and shrink your losses. Remember that overwhelmed trader at sunrise. Now imagine them calm, eyes locked on pure price action, the chaos gone, replaced by clarity. Naked Forex isn't just removing clutter, it's about reconnecting you to the market's heartbeat. Next time you trade, try stripping your chart down to just price and watch how your decisions sharpen. The market's story is in the price, naked and honest. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.